Hey YouTube, birds. Amazing how we put them on coins because they're so majestic in flight and they do so many amazing things. And we use them as symbols for our countries. I don't know which bird is the best looking one. Maybe I ought to start a poll. What's the best looking bird on a coin? Anyway, so this morning I was taking out the trash and there were a bunch of different birds in a tree out in front of my house just going nuts. I didn't know what they were doing, and it wasn't just one kind of bird. So I grabbed my camera and I went out there, and I kind of missed the retreat, but see what you think. All right, this is your silver hair stacker saying good luck and God bless. See what you think about these birds. So right now the birds in this tree are going nuts. There's blue jays, there's cardinals, there's sparrows, there's grackles. They're kind of calming down now. But I walked up to the tree a minute ago and I saw a snake crawl down out of the tree. So it's amazing, all these different species of birds are teaming up together to run off the snake that was up in the tree raiding a nest. And the snake crawled over into the bushes over here. Not sure exactly where he went, but that little cardinal over there is keeping an eye on him. And there went a grackle. So that snake, he may think twice about coming around here again. He's got 4 species of birds chasing after him. I don't know where he went. There he is, he's down in there. Not sure what kind of snake it is. Let me get a stick and poke at him. Okay. I'm back at the snake. And there he is right there up against the corner. See if I can get him to move. Yep. Where'd he go? He's in there. Anyway, to this tree and was raiding a nest up in there. That snake got more than he bargained for. There were cardinals, blue jays, grackles, and sparrows all banding together to chase that snake down out of the tree. They're still going nuts. So that snake, until he clears out for good, he's going to hang around, I guess. Anyway, talk to y'all later. This is your silver hair stacker. Bye.